What could make a streaming TV device better? We've seen them get smaller and faster, but what if your streaming device was also your soundbar? That's the premise behind the all-new 4K Roku Streambar. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I recently had a chance to spend a couple of weeks with the brand new Roku Streambar. I'll tell you all about it, but an early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. So what exactly is Roku Streambar? The first hybrid device of its kind, Roku Streambar combines the 4K streaming capabilities of a streaming stick, box, or smart TV, all wrapped up in a soundbar package. That makes the Streambar a great option for older TVs without any streaming smarts, but the ultra-compact size of the Streambar also means it is a great soundbar solution for smaller spaces. This 2-in-1 unit is meant to be an affordable way to add better sound to a TV without taking up a lot of space. It's actually quite surprising how small and light it is, measuring just 14 by 4 by 2 inches, so it'll be interesting to see how it sounds. Now with it, you can use either the included Roku remote control or your smartphone as a remote, or both. Roku Streambar connects to your TV using either HDMI or optical digital audio, and it creates a streaming entertainment portal where you can navigate to channels like the Roku channel, Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, and lots more. That same connection also amplifies the sound from your TV and acts as a soundbar for better audio quality. Some of you will have heard my spiel on soundbars already, but for the new folks, hello and welcome for starters, here goes. Over the years, TVs have gotten thinner, meaning there is physically no space for a great quality speaker that can deliver all the audio characteristics we expect, like clear dialogue, strong bass. Particularly if you've upgraded to a 4K TV, this will be really noticeable. This means that the sound off of the TV's internal speakers is generally subpar. That has made sound bars more important now than ever. Now let's get on to the setup. Getting the Streambar set up was actually really easy. You just connect it to your TV using either the HDMI cable or the optical audio cable. I hooked mine up to my Hisense Roku TV. If you're using it on a Roku TV, the setup is super easy, but this soundbar is smart enough to work with almost any brand of television. Once you get connected, navigate to the HDMI input that you've connected it to and follow the on TV prompts. The Streambar will walk you through everything you need to do. Mine was ready to go in seconds. One note here about my setup. Since I was connecting it to a smart Roku TV already, in this case, the streaming capabilities would be redundant. You can see here I already have the Roku OS in the TV and I'm also getting it on the Streambar. But I also tried connecting it to an older, dumber TV, and then that became my primary source of smart streaming and great sound, taking an old, tinny-sounding TV and giving it a whole new life.
A lot of factors that go into success.
Let's get to how this sounds. From the moment I turned this on, I was surprised at how big it sounds. It fills my living room space surprisingly well, and for me, it gets plenty loud enough. 4 full-range speakers that measure about 1.9 inches will fill your room with Dolby Audio-compatible sound. The center channel of this sound bar is designed to kick out crisp, clean audio that makes dialogue easier to hear, while the angled, let's see how well you can see that, the kind of angled side speakers are designed to spread sound out across the room. The dialogue does sound great, and there is plenty of detail, and overall this device sounds really great. We need to talk about the bass. I was all set to say this soundbar was lacking bass, but I put on a couple of bass tests and some bass-heavy content, and I was absolutely blown away by the depth, resonance, and overall kaboom in this box. The Roku Streambar sounds amazing for its size, and it does exactly what it says it will. It amplifies the sound and improves the audio from the TV while also providing a bunch of different additional features, which I will get to. I also really like the compact size. Roku Streambar's built-in streaming system means you get access to hundreds, if not thousands, of channels and programs using the soundbar. I really like the Roku system and user interface. It's easy to understand and navigate, and it's well organized and simple. Roku's smart streaming inside the Streambar lets you cast, share, or send video, music, or photos and more directly to your TV. Later this year, Roku is also adding Apple AirPlay and HomeKit capabilities on some of these 4K Roku devices, like the Streambar here. Let's dig in on some of those other features of the Roku Streambar. There is night listening, and this setting lets you quiet ultra loud scenes if you're watching TV while others are trying to sleep. It basically just brings the audio on things like crashes or explosions down to a less noisy and disruptive level. You can turn this on and off in your audio settings. The Roku Streambar can also quiet loud commercials automatically using a setting called automatic volume leveling. Voice control with Google and Alexa is built in, meaning you can control your Roku Streambar by speaking to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant devices. To get this set up, you do need to link your preferred digital assistant in the Google Home or Amazon Alexa app. You need to use those apps, I should say, to link to the Streambar to get things connected. Then you can control your power, sound, and your streaming. As I noted, you can use the included Roku remote or your smartphone as a remote. The physical remote is super handy for fast adjustments, and the built-in voice search button is convenient. Using the Roku Remote app gives you a few additional features, and one of the best is private listening. Only on compatible Apple and Android devices, the Roku Mobile App lets you use headphones connected to your phone or tablet to listen to streaming TV programs. This feature means you can listen to the TV without disturbing others in the room, or avoid waking the kids if you're watching late night movies, or the kids cannot bother you. I have a full video, by the way, on how to do this here on the channel, and I will make sure it is linked up. This feature works really well and provides a reliable way to listen with headphones, which also makes it good for seniors or those with hearing troubles. Overall, the new Roku Streambar is pretty versatile. It's got a lot of power and great quality sound, especially for such a small soundbar, and that bass was shockingly great. The Streambar is an excellent addition to my living room TV setup. The fact that it's a 2-in-1 device makes it really versatile. Downsides? It doesn't really have a convenient, I'll see how well you guys can see it there, convenient wall mounting option. The Roku Streambar uses what are called M6 mounting sockets, so you do need to go buy a separate wall mounting kit if you do want to hang it up on your wall. The price, though, makes it pretty sweet as well. Coming in at just 189 Canadian dollars, it is probably the most wallet-friendly way to get proper audio for your flat-screen TV. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I talked about or those how-to instructions, head over to techgadgetscanada.com, where I've put up a full blog. You can ask me any questions you have about this device, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.